In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online and customize your purchase order forms. Whether you're a new user or just looking to personalize your documents, this guide will take you through each step in a clear and easy to follow manner. First, let's start with getting into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser. Chrome is recommended for the best experience. Once you're there, head over to the QuickBooks website at quickbooks.intuit.com and sign in with your credentials. Logging in will take you directly to your dashboard where we can begin customizing your purchase order styles. Now let's dive into creating or editing your purchase order style. First, you'll want to locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is the hub for all your QuickBooks settings. Click on it, and under the Your Company section, you'll see the option for custom form styles. Go ahead and select that. Once you're in the custom form style section, you have the choice to either create a new purchase order style or edit an existing one. To create a new template, click on New Style and then select Purchase Order. Alternatively, if you're looking to tweak one that's already there, simply find the style you want and click Edit. Next, you'll be customizing your purchase order so it fits your business needs. Let's break it down into different tabs to make it easy. Start with the Design tab. Here you can modify the appearance by changing fonts, colors, and the overall layout to match your brand identity. Then, move over to the Content tab. In this section, you can add or remove fields as necessary and personalize the text in the headers and footers. This is where you can make sure all the information you need is right where it should be. If you often send purchase orders via email, the Emails tab is particularly handy. Here you can adjust the default message that's sent out with your purchase orders, adding any specific instructions or a warm greeting. For the Payments tab, it's usually not applicable for purchase orders, but take a quick look to ensure everything is set as needed. Once you're happy with your customized design, there's an optional step you might consider: setting it as the default template. This can be done by clicking the drop-down next to your style and selecting Make Default. This will ensure that every new purchase order will use your customized template automatically. Finally, don't forget to save all your hard work. Click Done to save changes to your newly customized purchase order style. Now, let's put it to use. Head over to the plus new button and select Purchase Order. Your custom template should automatically apply, and you're ready to create and send purchase orders with your personalized touch. And there you have it. You've successfully logged in and customized your purchase order styles in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.